Hey, welcome to episode of beersjackofbbq. Check out the thick cut pork chops we did on the SNS Travel Kettle. Yeah, I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Yeah, we did some thick cut pork chops. Now, you've seen them before on our channel. I like to get them thick. I get the whole loin, and as you can see, this one here is kind of like the end where it's a pretty big piece. So still let that thing ride out, do it slow. Well, I'm not going to do them slow. I'm actually going to get this up by 350. Cook it that way for the whole cook is the plan for these. So like I said, won't be doing it slow, but just let them cook through, get them done to I like to go to 145 until I pull them off. That way they finish towards 150. Some people will pull them at 140, but I like to get right there to 145. Hit them a couple hours ago with SPG butter. Stuff like it even more. I actually did some sea bass and hit this. So try it on fish next time. This is a good one. And you saw we always show us lighting with our, we're working with fire cups again. We don't get nothing from them, just kind of showing off their product because it's good. Best fire starter I've used and made in the USA. So let's get these things on the grill. All right, so we got the grill. I just had it open to clean the grates, but it was right around 300, so we want to get it again up to about 350. For now, I'm just going to throw the big one on here to get it started warming up. The other one's smaller, so that one's going to get done a little bit quicker, but we won't need to show you that, but we'll just get this one on, let it get warmed up. We'll bring you back here when we get to about 100 degrees. All right, let's give them a flip. We just went a little past 100. You'll see a bunch of probes in there. We're doing a little bit of a test on some probes right now, but all the probes are reading right around 100 as well. So let me get this one probe wanting to go to the fire. There we go. All right, I'm gonna let them ride till we get to probably around to 140, then I'll start checking things out a little closer. Hit them again, so perfect, 145. It's a nice thing about this, 270. I can show you that angle. All right, let's pull them off. We'll let them rest, and then we'll bring you back to, yeah, they look good. Bring them back to cut into them. This one was right on as well. As always, cheers. Here we are into the cook. Two nice big pork chops, a real looking pork chop here, and then kind of an end of the whole loin that we had here. So got them on the grill. Had the grill run about 350 or so, and got up towards 400, but I brought it back down to about 350. Ran rock solid there the whole time. That little travel kettle is just fantastic. Hit it with Grillaholics SPG Twisted, which was with butter, and let them ride till they got about 105, I think it was. Flipped them, got to 145, checked them, perfect. So take a little cut into the smaller one here. Yeah, it looks like it's right, probably 150, which was, we pulled it off at 145. Take a nice little cut here. Yeah, just a little hint of that. I only had a small piece on the end there, but butcher we get this from, I think they got the best pork around in the eastern Pennsylvania here where we get it from. It's an old Pennsylvania Dutch butcher. Pork is a little bit fattier, and I think that's why I like it so much. So hopefully you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell notifications, and we'll see you next time.